Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon,
Screen is
afternoon,
visible
ma'am.
to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We are going to start next chapter in drugs acting on CNS, local anesthetic. What is mean by general anesthetic?
These are the pharmacological agents when administered externally, which by receiving loss of sensation with loss of consciousness is known as general anesthesia.
In whole body, reversible loss of consciousness, they produces in the whole body, while local anesthetic whole body मध्ये affect करतात का?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Local anesthetics, they act on
No.
particular area.
Particular area मध्ये
There
ते
is local area. What is anesthetics? Anesthetic. We are studying in general anesthetic. What is anesthesia? Anesthetics. Types of anesthetics. Can you tell?
Drug used to treat anesthesia.
Two types of anesthesia: general anesthesia and local anesthesia.
Firstly, anesthesia, it is reversible loss of consciousness. Second, anesthetic means the agent. They are used to induce or produce anesthesia. Anesthesia produce करण्यासाठी जे agent use करतात, that agents are known as anesthetics, not treat. Then there are two types of anesthetic, local anesthetics and general anesthetic, in which local means they produces loss of sensation or reversible loss of consciousness in whole body, while local anesthetic they produces loss of sensation or reversible loss of consciousness in local area, in localized area. So how many types of anesthetics?
two types of anesthetic, local and general anesthetic.
Local and general anesthetic.
In which we are going to see local anesthetics. Definition of local anesthetics. Screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
These are the pharmacological agents which applied or injected. They block conduction and generation of impulses in the localized area and bring loss of sensation without affecting loss of consciousness, known as local anesthetic. Local anesthetic हे आपण मायनर सर्जरी मध्ये यूज करतो, टीथ सर्जरी, ते रूट ड्युरिंग रूट कॅनल्स वगैरे. There is not need to give general anesthetic, means तेवढा पार्ट फक्त anesthetize केला जातो. There is no loss of consciousness. Consciousness वर local anesthetic affect करत नाही. So definition of local anesthetic means these are the pharmacological when they applied. आपण जेव्हा ते apply or inject, then they block the production and generation of impulse in localized area. म्हणजे ते एजंट आपण ज्या ठिकाणी अप्लाय केलेत और इंजेक्ट केलेत त्या पर्टिक्युलर लोकलाइज्ड एरिया मध्ये, इन दॅट पार्ट देर इज ब्लॉक द कंडक्शन अँड जनरेशन ऑफ इम्पल्सेस. इम्पल्सेस जर जनरेट नाही झाल्या तर सेन्सेशन फील होतील का? येस तर नो?
No, ma'am. Loss of sensation.
Because loss of sensation, because of there is block in conduction and generation of impulses. म्हणजे त्या particular area मध्ये where we apply the local anesthetic agent or the agent, that agent brings loss of sensation. त्या ठिकाणी sensation चा loss होतो without affecting loss of consciousness, means consciousness वर ते agent affect करत नाहीत. So these are the agents, pharmacological agent, which when applied or injected in the particular area or localized area, they block conduction and generation of impulses and therefore bring the loss of sensation without affecting loss of consciousness is known local anesthetic. त्या पर्टिक्युलर एरियामध्ये सेन्सेशन्स ज्या आहेत त्या फील होत नाहीत. Therefore, these agents are applied. Localized area, not whole body.
Madam?
Local anesthetics.
वॉइस ब्रेक होते मॅडम.
Local anesthetic on localized area, while general anesthetic act on localized area or whole body.
Whole body.
All of you, do you understand difference between local anesthetics and general anesthetic?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
General anesthetics act on whole body or produces reversible loss of consciousness in whole body, while local anesthetic in localized or particular area. Then next, ideal characteristic of local anesthetic. Sound is audible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number 54.
Ma'am.
येस मॅम. मॅडम वॉइस येतोय पण ब्रेक होतोय मधून मधून.
Read the ideal characteristic of local anesthetics. Screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Roll number 22. Ideal characteristic of local anesthetics, in which first one, it should be free from systemic toxicity. Systemic toxicity पासून free असावेत. Then second, it should be non-irritant to muscular tissue. Muscular tissue ला non-irritant असावे. These are the properties of local anesthetics. That is, it should be free from systemic toxicity. Then it should be non-irritant to muscular tissue. It should be freely soluble in lipids, as their local anesthetic property is directly proportional to lipid solubility. Because of they are freely soluble in lipid, therefore local anesthetic having property, there is they directly proportional to lipid solubility. Then it should be effective on topical as well as parenteral administration. Topical dosage form. Can you tell examples of topical dosage form? Any one example?
Cream.
Cream
Cream.
paste.
Creams, lotion, ointment. These are the
Paste.
topical. So local anesthetic should be effective on topical as well as parenteral administration. Then fifth, it should possess quick onset of action, fast onset of action असावा. Then sufficient duration of action, sufficient duration of action असायला पाहिजे local anesthetics ला. Then last one, ideal characteristic is it shows membrane stabilizing effect. हा membrane stabilizing effect दाखवतो. And also it should be required to complete the surgical procedures. ज्या minor surgery असतात त्याच्यामध्ये local anesthetics use केले जातात. So these are the ideal characteristic or properties of local anesthetic. It should be free from systemic toxicity. Systemic toxicity पासून free असायला पाहिजे. Then it should be non-irritant to muscular tissue. Muscular tissue ला irritation नाही व्हायला पाहिजे. Then it should be freely soluble in lipid. Therefore, they directly proportional to lipid solubility. It should be effective on topical as well as parenteral administration. It should possess quick onset and sufficient duration of action. It shows membrane stabilizing effect. These are the properties of local anesthetic. Don't be confusion in ideal characteristic of local anesthetic and general anesthetic. General anesthetic च्या पण ideal characteristics study केलेत, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then next point, classification. There are three classes main, in which first one naturally occurring, second synthetic compounds, in which again two subclasses, then third one miscellaneous. In which naturally occurring, their example cocaine. जे केन कॅटेगरी आहे at the last cane, procaine, lignocaine, cocaine, they are under benzocaine, amitocaine, they are under the local anesthetic category. Okay, so naturally occurring first class. Am I audible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
First class naturally occurring, their example is cocaine. Then second, synthetic compounds, in which again two subclasses, nitrogen compound and non-nitrogenous compound. In nitrogen compound, their example procaine, lignocaine, then benzocaine and amitocaine. Then in non-nitrogenous compound, benzyl alcohol and propanediol. These are the example of non-nitrogenous compound. Then last one, miscellaneous, their example clove oil. This classification of local anesthetic. Again, I revise, local anesthetics are classified into three classes: naturally occurring, synthetic compounds. Synthetic compounds again classified into two subclasses: nitrogenous and non-nitrogenous compound. Last one, miscellaneous. This classification with their example. All of you understand classification?
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number 22.
Yes, ma'am.
How many classes of local anesthetics?
3.
Which?
Naturally occurring, second synthetic compound, and miscellaneous.
Their examples?
Naturally occurring example, cocaine, synthetic compound, R2 type nitrogen compound, example, procaine, lignocaine, and non-nitrogenous compound, for example,
Procaine, lignocaine, cocaine, amitocaine. Then miscellaneous.
clove oil.
Okay, this is classification of local anesthetic. Then next point, mechanism of action of local anesthetic. Firstly, tell me, mechanism of action is under pharmacokinetic or pharmacodynamic?
Pharmacodynamic.
All of you, mechanism of action is under which branch of pharmacology? Either it is pharmacokinetic or pharmacodynamic.
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 Roll number 47 to last 71. Mechanism of action is under which branch of pharmacology?
Pharmacodynamic.
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 Pharmacodynamic. It is branch of pharmacology which deals with study of mechanism of action and therapeutic effects. So, mechanism of action of local anesthetic, in which LA, that is local anesthetic, diffuses through the cell membrane. ज्यावेळेस आपण local anesthetic apply करू or inject करू, then they get diffuses through the cell membrane. Cell membrane च्या through ते body मध्ये diffuses होतात. Then they bind to voltage gated sodium channel and block the entry of sodium into the cell, raise the threshold for excitation, then no generation and conduction of impulses, and produces loss of consciousness or produces loss of sensation in the particular area. Okay. In practical, sodium channel, calcium channel, when after the administration of adrenaline, ते एंटर होतात चॅनल्स मध्ये. तो पाथवे आठवतो तुम्हाला? डू रिमेंबर? ऍड्रेनालिन इंजेक्ट केल्यानंतर सोडियम आणि कॅल्शियम आयन्स हे त्या सेल मेम्ब्रेन मध्ये एंटर होत होते.
Yes, ma'am.
लाईक दॅट लोकल अनेस्थेटिक त्या सेल मेम्ब्रेन मध्ये बाइंड होतात. फर्स्टली they get diffuses into the cell membrane and they bind to the voltage gated sodium channel and block the entry of sodium into cell. and ते काय करतात तर सोडियमची एंट्री सेल मध्ये ब्लॉक करतात. सोडियमची एंट्री ब्लॉक झाल्यानंतर देर इज रेज द थ्रेशोल्ड ऑफ एक्साइटेशन. एक्साइटेशनची जी फ्रिक्वेन्सी आहे, जो थ्रेशोल्ड आहे तो रेज होतो. देन देर इज नो जनरेशन अँड कंडक्शन ऑफ इम्पल्सेस. ठिकाणी कंडक्शन आणि जे जनरेशन ऑफ इम्पल्सेस आहेत, इम्पल्सेस जनरेट नाही झाल्या तर सेन्सेशन फील होतील का?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
There is no generation since impulses आणि generate नाही झाल्यामुळे there is loss of sensation, that is depolarization is occur and it produces loss of consciousness or loss of consciousness sensation in their particular or localized area. Means here important part is that they bind to the voltage gated sodium channel. हे channels तुम्हाला MCQ मध्ये वेगळे चॅनल्स असतात. दे बाइंड टू द व्होल्टेज ग्रेटेड सोडियम चॅनल, पोटॅशियम चॅनल, कॅल्शियम चॅनल. तर लोकल अनेस्थेटिक कोणत्या चॅनलला बाइंड होतात? Which channel? Voltage gated sodium channel. Right? Screen is visible to all.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Then they block the entry of sodium ions into the cell. Cell मध्ये सोडियम आयनची ब्लॉक करतात. Therefore, there is raise, that is increase the threshold for excitation. There is no generation and conduction of impulses, and therefore they produces loss of consciousness or in their particular area or loss of sensation in the localized area. This is mechanism of action of local anesthetic. Means local anesthetic agents act by this pathway. समजले सगळ्यांना mechanism of action?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. They block the entry of sodium ion into the cell. This is important one. Then techniques of application of local anesthetics. Screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Techniques of application of local anesthetic means how to apply the local anesthetic. By which technique? There are 4 techniques. Epidural also 5th one, but in theory we see 4. First one topical anesthesia, second infiltration, third one nerve block anesthesia, 4th one spinal anesthesia. These are the techniques of application of local anesthetic. Roll number 11.
Yes, ma'am.
Techniques of application of local anesthetic in list.
There are 4 types. First one, topical anesthesia. Topically applied at the site of action. Example, lignocaine and amitrocaine. Second, infiltration. Third one, nerve block anesthesia. And fourth one, spinal anesthesia.
Okay. First one is topical anesthesia or surface anesthesia. In this technique, local anesthetic is used. Topical medicament कोणते आहेत? Topical dosage form. Examples of topical dosage form.
Lotion, cream, ointment.
Lotion, cream, ointment.
Powder. Powder topical आहे का? Yes or no? Powders are also applied topically. This part also discussed in route of administration. So in the topical anesthesia is also known as surface anesthesia. In this technique, the local anesthetics आहेत, that is ointment, cream, powder, lotions, they are directly applied at the site which is to be get anesthetized. म्हणजे smoothly ते rubbed केले जातात on the skin where anesthesia is produced at that part. जे टॉपिकल अनेस्थेशिया आहे ही एक टेक्निक आहे लोकल अनेस्थेटिक अनेस्थेशिया प्रोड्यूस करायची इन विच टॉपिकली अप्लाइड ऍट द साइट ऑफ ऍक्शन. जिथे आपल्याला अनेस्थेशिया लोकलाइज्ड अनेस्थेशिया प्रोड्यूस करायची आहे ऍट दॅट पार्ट हे टॉपिकल अनेस्थेटिक्स आपण अप्लाय करू शकतो. देयर एक्झाम्पल्स आर लिग्नोकेन अँड अमिथोकेन. Then application of topical anesthesia is to anesthetize corneal surface. Cornea, it is part of
eye,
eye. The corneal surface, mucosa of mouth, nose, pharynx, larynx and urethra. जर का आपल्याला हे parts anesthetize करायचे असतील, then topical anesthesia, this technique is useful. Also to reduce the pain and itching. Itching means uneasy, irritating sensation to the skin. Skin ला ज्या uneasy irritation sensation आहेत, that is itching. To reduce the pain and itching of ulcer and hemorrhoids. Hemorrhoids means piles, that is swollen of lower rectum. So to reduce the pain and itching of ulcer and hemorrhoids. Hemorrhoids किंवा ulcer होतं त्यावेळेस जे पेन्स आणि इचिंग आहे ते रिड्यूस करण्यासाठी at that time by using topical anesthesia, this technique is used and local anesthetics are injected or applied. Then examples of topical anesthesia are lignocaine and amitriptyline. The next one, infiltration anesthesia. In this technique, anesthesia is produced by injecting anesthetic agent throughout the area to be anesthetized. जो एरिया anesthetize करायचा आहे at that area जे नर्व एंडिंग्स आहेत त्या नर्व एंडिंग्स मध्ये anesthetic जे लोकल anesthetic एजंट आहेत ते इंजेक्ट केले जातात and their anesthesia is produced. So in the infiltration anesthesia, there is local anesthetics are injected throughout the area which is to be anesthetized. In this technique, nerve endings are anesthetized by the direct exposure to the drug. Means procaine and lignocaine, a local anesthetic drug directly exposure or directly injected to the nerve endings. ज्या पार्ट मध्ये आपल्याला anesthesia प्रोड्यूस करायचे आहे त्या ठिकाणी जे नर्व एंडिंग्स आहेत त्या नर्व एंडिंग्स मध्ये directly exposure of this local anesthetic agent procaine and lignocaine. This is about infiltration anesthesia. Then application of infiltration anesthesia is used for minor operations like removal of cyst in ovarian, means ovary. Ovary is part of which system?
Reproductive system.
Male reproductive system. So the ovary वर cyst means any solid or filled like sac or any pocket like structure. जर ovary वर असेल on the surface of ovary and solid or fluid filled like sac or packet, तर त्याची जी minor operations आहेत. In these operations, infiltration anesthesia, this technique is used to produce the anesthesia in that localized area. Examples of infiltration anesthesia are which examples? Screen is visible to all.
Procaine, lignocaine.
Procaine and lignocaine. The next one, nerve block anesthesia. Sound is audible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In this technique, either the anesthetic agent is injected in surrounding area of that part which is to be operated. म्हणजे जो पार्ट ऑपरेटेड ऑपरेशन्स किंवा सर्जरी ज्या पार्टवर करायची आहे त्या पार्टच्या सराउंडिंग एरियामध्ये हे एजंट्स अप्लाय केले जातात. Operated or deposited close to the mixed nerves like radial, ulnar or planetine. And it is also known as field block or nerve block anesthesia. म्हणजे in nerve block anesthesia, there is drugs or local anesthetic agents are injected surrounding the area, that part which is to be operated, which is close to the mixed nerves. म्हणजे नर्व्हच्या साइडचा जो सराउंडिंग पार्ट आहे, that part get anesthetized. That is this anesthesia. Nerve block anesthesia is also known as field block anesthesia, in which is close to mixed nerves. नर्व्हच्या जो सराउंडिंग नर्व ब्लॉक म्हणतोय, नर्व्हचा जो सराउंडिंग पार्ट आहे तो पार्ट अनेस्थेसाइज केला जातो. In which radial, ulnar, the mixed bones of radial, ulnar or planety are the nerves. Those are distributed into the mouth, tonsils or lining of nasal cavity. And radial ulnar, it is part of elbow joint, right? Radia ulna anatomy मध्ये झाले ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
These are the bones of forearm region of the upper limbs to elbow joint. So त्याच्या surrounding जे nerves आहेत, the nerves are get anesthetized. Therefore, this anesthesia technique is known as nerve block anesthesia or field block anesthesia. Okay, how many bones are present in
206.
human skeleton?
206.
In which appendicular and axial?
Appendicular 80 and
Axial? Axial skeleton contain 80 bones and appendicular 126. Okay. Then examples of nerve block anesthesia, procaine and lignocaine. Then next one, spinal anesthesia. In this technique, drugs are injected into subarachnoid space. Subarachnoid space कुठे असतो?
spinal cord.
Cerebrospinal fluid, CSF. ज्यावेळेस spinal anesthesia technique use केलं जातं, when we use the spinal anesthesia technique to produce the anesthesia, then drugs are injected into subarachnoid space. Then duration of spinal anesthesia can be increased by addition of 0.2 ml of solution. जो काही spinal anesthesia चा duration आहे, which is increased by addition of 0.2 ml of solution. 0.2 ml of solution of local anesthetic किंवा जे आपण spinal anesthesia produce करण्यासाठी local anesthetic agents use करतोय. This solution is increased or addition of this solution 0.2 ml. Then The drugs are injected directly into the subarachnoid space. After the administration, the agent reaches to roots of spinal nerve and dorsal root of ganglia. Ganglia, that is in vertebra, there is clusters of neuronal body outside the CNS. This is ganglia. The drugs are injected at the site to block the roots of nerve and which innervate the area to be operated. In the spinal anesthesia, in this technique, where anesthesia is produced, the drug is directly injected into subarachnoid space. After this administration of drug, so that drug reaches into the root of spinal nerve and where they block the nerve, that is they block the sensation, there is loss of sensation, and these agents act as local anesthetic. Their example is lignocaine. These are the 4 techniques in which topical मध्ये ते externally apply करायचे आहेत. In infiltration, the drugs are injected into nerve endings, nerve block मध्ये surrounding to the nerves or close to the mixed nerves. In spinal anesthesia, drugs are injected into subarachnoid space or CSF, cerebrospinal fluid. All of you understand techniques of how to apply the local anesthetic?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next one, lignocaine. Lignocaine is under which category? Screen is visible to all.
Yes,
Nitrogen compounds.
yes.
Synthetic
Nitrogen
compounds.
Okay. (47). Roll number 47. Sound is audible to all.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, roll number 47. Read
Yes, ma'am.
this lignocaine.
Lignocaine. It is commonly used local anesthesia. It is quick, honest action. It is the high drug penetration. It is commonly side effects are
Read it properly from first point. It is commonly used as
local anesthetics. It is quick, honest action. It is highly
it has
drug. It has a high drug of
degree of
penetration.
penetration.
Its common side effects are
Bradycardia.
bradycardia, hypotension, and some others. It widely used for inflammation and anesthesia, intravenous
Infiltration anesthesia.
anesthesia.
Okay. So first category in local anesthetic agent or first drug in the local anesthetic category is lignocaine. It is commonly used as local anesthetic. हा commonly local anesthetic म्हणून use केला जातो. Then second, it has quick onset of action. याची जी action आहे ती quick असते, fast onset of action. It has high degree of penetration. Penetration जे आहे, there is high degree. High proportion मध्ये असतं. Then the common side effects are bradycardia, hypotension, and some other. What is mean by bradycardia?
Decrease heart rate.
Decrease heart rate.
Okay, bradycardia is decrease in heart rate, and hypotension means
Decrease blood pressure.
Blood pressure.
okay, and some others. Then it is widely used for infiltration anesthesia. This is not information or anything. Infiltration. This is one of the techniques of application of local anesthetics. It is widely used for. All these are the techniques of local anesthetics. Then application of local anesthetic. Then intravenous anesthesia, epidural anesthesia, subarachnoid anesthesia. What is subarachnoid anesthesia? We are discussed in techniques of application. Subarachnoid anesthesia means which anesthesia?
Spinal anesthesia.
Spinal anesthesia. This is about lignocaine. Then second, procaine. Screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Forty-nine.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the procaine.
Procaine. It is a non-irritant local anesthetic. It is effective rapidly when administered parenterally. It is non-effective as topical anesthetic. Its duration of action is very short and can be prolonged by administered of adrenaline. It is relatively less toxic. It has vasodilator property and can cause hypotension and bradycardia.
This is about procaine. So it is non-irritant local anesthetic, means it does not produces irritation. Then it is effective rapidly when administered parentally. When it is given by parentally, then it is rapidly effective. There is fast onset of action when it is given by parentally. Then it is not effective as a topical anesthetic. Procaine is not effective as topical anesthetic. Then its duration of action is very short and can be prolonged by administration of adrenaline. ह्याचा जो duration of action आहे, which is very short, therefore it can be prolonged by, the duration of action is prolonged by administration of adrenaline. Category of adrenaline, anyone can tell? Category we are already discussed in our experiment number 7.
Sympathomimetic.
Okay, adrenaline is sympathomimetic agent. So to enhance the duration of action or to prolong by this duration of action by administration of adrenaline, means procaine and adrenaline, they are given together. Then it is relatively less toxic. Less toxic local anesthetic agent आहे. It has vasodilator property and can cause hypotension and bradycardia. याला vasodilator property आहे and it can cause the hypotension and bradycardia. Roll number 51.
Madam.
Read the properties of procaine.
It is non-irritant local anesthesia. It is effective rapidly when administered parentally. It is not effective as topical anesthesia. Fourth, its duration of action is very short, can be prolonged by administration of adrenal. Fifth, it is relatively less toxic. It has vasodilator property, can cause hypotension and bradycardia.
Bradycardia. Okay. Do you know about vasodilators? Yes or no? What is vasodilator agent or vasodilator property? Any idea?
Vasodilators are the medication that open blood vessel.
Dilate blood vessels.
They open or dilate the blood vessels. ज्या blood vessels tight झालेल्या असतात, tightening of muscle or narrowing of the walls, artery, veins, तर then vasodilators are used to open or dilate the vessels, blood vessels. So this is about procaine. Here we finish local anesthetic agent. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
ma'am.
Firstly, we see definition of local anesthetics. Means these are the pharmacological agents. They block generation and conduction of impulses. Impulses block झाले. It means there is loss of sensation without affecting on loss of consciousness of whole body. Local anesthetic whole body ला consciousness produce करतात का?
No, ma'am. Particular area ला consciousness
The
produce करतात.
particular area. So this is about local anesthetic. After that we see ideal characteristic. Then this one important. It shows membrane stabilizing effect. This one asks for MCQ. Which anesthetic shows membrane stabilizing effect? Then classification. There are main 3 classes, in which second class again 2 subclasses. All the Kane category agents, CAINE, जे केन कॅटेगरीचे एजंट आहेत, प्रोकेन, लिग्नोकेन, अमितोकेन, बेन्झोकेन, कोकेन, they are under the local anesthetics. Then mechanism of action, in which sodium channel, you have to remember the sodium channel. They block the entry of sodium ion into the cell membrane. There is no generation and conduction of impulses, which produces loss of sensation and loss of consciousness in localized area. Localized area. This is important one. Then next we see techniques of application of local anesthetics. There are different techniques to apply the local anesthetics, in which we see 4 techniques: topical anesthesia, infiltration anesthesia, nerve block anesthesia, spinal anesthesia. In spinal anesthesia, drugs are injected into CSF or subarachnoid space. In nerve block, there is also known as field block anesthesia. They block the nerves or they injected to the surrounding area of nerves. Then infiltration, nerve endings, directly local anesthetics are injected into the nerve endings. Then they produces anesthesia, and topical means they applied topically. Then lignocaine, after that procaine. This is all about local anesthetic agent. All of you, what is local anesthetic?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to remember local anesthetic act or produces loss of sensation or loss of consciousness in localized area or local area, not to the whole body. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.